Good afternoon, students, once again for the next lecture. My name is Saboni Dhara. Welcome to my channel. As in the last lecture, we have gone through with the cost accounting manual methods. We have gone through with the manual and methods and mechanical methods, that is attendance register, disk token methods, and in mechanical methods, time recording clocks, dial time recorder, key recorder system, computer recording punching. So all this we will going to see today in little bit in brief and in detailed summary. So let's start with the session. Manual methods. So what do you mean by manual methods? In manual methods, manual means the things which is done by the human being. Okay, so that is called as manual. Methods means ways, techniques. Number first one is attendance register method. What does it means? Dear students, it means that this is a common method which is used in this. There is a ruling for 30 to 31 days. The names of the workers are entered and they sign the mustard. As you can see in teachers also, whenever we all are going to the college or to the schools, we used to punch by thumbing on the scanning, and then we used to sign on a register. That register is called as those registers are called as mustard, right? So like that, the employees are also having that kind of a muster in which they need to sign it. So same procedure is followed when they leave. So normally the attendance register is kept at the gate. So this is this how the things is all about. आपके सोसाइटी में भी आपने देखा रहेगा कि कोई भी अलग अननोन पर्सन्स आते हैं आपके घर में विजिट करने के लिए, तो उन लोग को भी अपना नाम, एड्रेस एंड फ़ोन नंबर सिग्नेचर के साथ, टाइम के साथ एंट्री किया जाता है, राइट? सो दैट इज़ अ नॉर्मल रजिस्टर, बट दिस ऑल रजिस्टर is been there for the employees or for the laborers or for the workers. Those who are coming in timing and out timing is been going to note it. So those are called as what? Attendance registered method. So based on that, their presentee absentee is going to be calculated. But if the workers are many, it can be in each department, or the attendance register may be made according to the departments. So if there are many workers in particular one department, so one department different register or mustard book would be maintained for their attendance, for their absenteeism, for the presenteeism, for the leave, etc. Alright, so this is what called attendance register method. On the other hand, disk or token method. In this method, each worker's name is engraved on a disk or a token, and these tokens are hung serially on a board. So each worker, when he enters the factory, picks up his token and put it in a box kept away from the board. After the scheduled time is over, the box is removed. So the same thing is happening, like token होता है, डिस्क नहीं तो टोकन बोला जाता है. एक सर्कल दिया जाता है जिसके अंदर अपने खुद का नाम एम्बॉस्ड किया जाता है. ओके, जैसे आपने देखा ही रहेगा कि बहुत सारे रुपीज़ के अंदर कैसे हम लोग 1 रुपीज़ एम्बॉस्ड किया गया है, एंड बहुत सारे अलग अलग, जैसे कि महात्मा गांधी जी का जो छवि है, पिक है, वो एम्बॉस्ड किया जाता है. वैसे ही यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस भी अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ का जो नाम है वो एम्बोस किया करते हैं टोकन में. एंड जैसे ही आते हैं वर्कर्स, वो टोकन पर्टिकुलर एक बॉक्स में क्या कर देते हैं, डाल देते हैं. एंड जब भी वो निकलते हैं तभी वो बॉक्स को क्या किया जाता है, ओपन किया जाता है, रिमूव किया जाता है, ताकि वो टोकन फिर से वो ले पाए. सो this is what the latecomers will hand over their tokens or disc to the timekeeper, who will record the time, and the tokens will remain on the board are those of absent workers. So that is what here they are saying कि अगर कोई भी लेट होता है तो वो जो टाइम कीपर है, जो देखता है कि कौन लेट आ रहा है, कौन जल्दी आ रहा है, he will going to take that tokens accordingly, and then only thereafter they will give the token back when they will leave the organization. So this is all about the token or a disk method. So in this manual methods there are quite some disadvantages. So disadvantages क्या है देख लेते हैं. There could be dispute यानी कि झगड़ा हो सकता है about recording of the time which may be deliberate or an mistake. कभी कभी किसी का mistake भी हो सकता है because those are nothing but a manual concept. So for that reason. On the other hand, on the second point, it is saying that the worker can pick up the disk or token of fellow worker and put it in the box. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो बॉक्स में भी रख सकते हैं भले ही वो वर्कर लेट आया फिर भी, यानी कि पार्शलिटी का भी चांसेस हो सकता है. देयर कुड बी रॉन्ग रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ टाइमिंग, कभी कभी रॉन्ग रिकॉर्डिंग भी हो सकता है. नेम्स ऑफ द गोस्ट वर्कर्स कैन बी इंक्लूडेड. सो मतलब वर्कर्स के साथ ही कोई दूसरा भी इंसान आ सकता है और उसका नाम एंट्री नहीं हो सकता है या इंक्लूड भी हो सकता है. सो देयर मैथड इज़ नॉट परफेक्ट. सो ऑफकोर्स दिस मैथड इज़ नॉट परफेक्ट. यहाँ पे स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, ई नहीं आएगा. So those are the 5 points in which you can understand there are longly disadvantages of the manual method, and for that reason only this mechanical method is came into existence, which will be in the